this session, we'll discuss about scope in Python. Scope is the area in your code where a variable can be accessed or used. If you think about real life example, think of your house. Some things are only in your room. That is called as a local scope. Some things are in the whole house. That is in global scope. Some things belong to the city. Built-in scope. Types of the scope in Python. LEGB rule. L for local, E for enclosing, G for global, B for built-in. Python decides which variable to use by looking in this order. We'll see examples. The first one, local scope. Variables inside a function can be used only inside that function. If you see in this example code instruction, function 1, this is a function call, definition of the function. Inside the function, a is a variable with the value 50. We are printing a. So when the function call goes here, only one instruction is available with variable a equal to 50. That a value we are printing. So value should come as 50. We'll check this code. File, new file, Python file, save. Yeah, we'll run it. Yeah, here is the value 50. Correct. Now we'll see enclosing scope. This applies when you have a function inside another function, nested function. Okay, if you see the example here, we have outer function, we have inner function. This inner function is inside outer function. Okay, when you call this one, see here outer function call is there. This function call goes here. Inside that a value enclosing. This is a string. Again it goes to inside function, inner function, print a. Here what happens? Here no value is here, but inner function is inside outer function. So a value will print as enclosing because this inner function is in outer function. We'll check this one and see the result. Run. Yeah, you can see enclosing. Next we will see global scope. Variables declared outside all functions are global. They can be used anywhere. If you see the example here, a equal to global, a is a variable, the value with global. There is a function show fun. Inside function we have print statement. We are calling show function here. Then print a. So when the function call show function call goes here, it will see print a. Again inside the show function we have print statement. So this value, because no value here, right? So this a equal to this global value will come here. Again print a. This is outside the function. Since global variable is there, for this a also global will be printed. We'll check this. Yeah, global and global. Two times got printed. Correct. Now, suppose in this particular example, we wanted to slightly change the code and observe how can we change the global variable inside a function. So here is the example. A equal to 5. Change is a function. This is a function definition. Here, if you wanted to change this global variable value inside the function means these statements. These are the two statements, right? So inside how you can change by using a global keyword. Global, the value we wanted to change for a, right? Global a equal to 10. Then this global variable value from 5 to 10 will get changed. Okay, print a. If you try to print a value will be printed as 10. We'll check this one. Yeah, 10. So you need to write a code instruction like this to change a global variable value. We need to use a global keyword inside the function. Okay. Next, built-in scope. These are the names that Python already knows, like print length. If you see the example, this is the example. Print inside length of hi hello. Length of hi hello. This length is a built-in type. So where it will measure the string length. So here 8 should come. So this is a built-in type. So run it. Yeah, 8. We have seen all four, right? Local, enclosing, global, built-in. Now, in summary, we will execute one program which includes local, enclosing. Here outer function call is there. It goes here. Inside the function, we have statement a equal to enclosing. Again inside outer function, inner function is there. A equal to local. Inner function, a equal to local. In outer function, a value equal to enclosing. Suppose if you print inner function, if you wanted to print a here, the value will be local only because priority to be given to local. After that, print a. This print a after inner function call. So this a will be referred to this particular value enclosing. So for this print statement, enclosing value will be appeared. Okay. What is the value of global variable a equal to global? So this print a equal to global. So summary is the first a, which is inside inner function, prints local. Then outer function reference, this print statement a refers to enclosing, and after outer function call we have one more print statement. This one will refers to global variable. So value is global only here. So this how it works. We'll check the result local, enclosing and global. Local, enclosing, global. Yeah, Python checks for a in this order. For which a? Because a is a variable we have taken in all the example, right? If you see, first it checks is there a local variable. Yes, use it. If local variable is there, use it. If not, check the enclosing function. Then check the global scope. Finally, the built-in names. This is the order. That's all for this video.